Hey, good day everybody. Hey, just wanted to put together a quick video for some of you out there on Facebook to learn about the difference between insurance that builds cash value and just straight term insurance and in doing your investments elsewhere. A lot of people like myself and people that work out of our office meet with people who want to save more money for their retirement, but one of the things that we find is that they're spending a lot of money on their life insurance and they could redirect some of that cost into what we feel is a better investment vehicle. So what I've done here today is I've put together a quick little comparison between a whole life insurance policy on a 27-year-old male and a term policy. This example here is an insurance policy on a 27-year-old male, okay? It is a $500,000 life insurance policy on a 27-year-old male in good health, paying $6,023 a year. So on a monthly basis, we're looking at somewhere around $502 a month that client is spending on life insurance to build savings. When we look at the savings that they purchased in with the life insurance, it's called the cash value. And what you see here is they bought this policy back in 2006. At the end of 2007, there was zero money in the cash value. After that, it starts to accumulate. But remember, this client is spending over $6,000 a year on insurance to have this type of savings plan. So what I show people when we're out there meeting with them is that, some of the big problems with cash value life insurance is it's too expensive, okay? There's no cash value in the savings account like you see over there for the first 1 to 5 years, okay? The third problem is it only earns about 2 to 3% over the life of the contract. So when you look at the long-term savings component, it's really not that much money. The other thing people are very confused about is they don't understand that if you take the cash value out, it actually becomes a loan. And the word loan would mean, well, you've got to pay it back. So you're borrowing your own money and you pay it back at usually around 8% interest. And then lastly, God forbid something happened to you, the insurance portion will pay out the $500,000. But whatever's built up inside that cash value is actually not going to pay out along with the policy. So I want to show you the power of taking that $500 a month, keeping the same amount of coverage on your family, but being able to do something a lot better than invest in this type vehicle. Okay? So what I did was, just like Dave Ramsey recommends, looked at a term insurance policy. And in this situation, I used the longest term that's available. It's a 35-year term. And kept the same amount of coverage for $500,000 of protection. Okay, taking the same 502, we were able to get the life insurance portion done for 35 years at only $50.35 a month. So that's $452 a month we've now freed up to do something else as far as investments. So what we did is we opened up a Roth IRA, put that money in there. It's never going to get taxed, and when you take it out, it doesn't get taxed at all. It's completely tax-free. And what we did is we looked at 35 years later, okay, this account will be worth somewhere between $687,000 up to possibly $1.4 million. And I base these returns on 6, 7, and 9% return. Okay, so you look at, if this guy lived in his, beyond his 60s, yeah, he may not have the life insurance if he didn't renew it, but he's got more money in his savings account than he would his life insurance policy. And if he were to pass away, his family's going to get not only the life insurance portion, plus the savings. So when you look at the comparison, not only is buy term and invest your money into a mutual fund a better deal today, but it's also a much better deal in your future years. So, when you're out there shopping for insurance, be wary of any type of policy that builds up savings, because we believe you could go into a Roth IRA and a good mutual fund or something on your job like your 401k, or if you're a teacher, a 403b, do your investments there and keep your insurance coverage high at a low cost. So just remember, friends don't let friends buy cash value life insurance. Hope you have a great day.